Alina and I had been best friends for as long as I could remember. Our friendship was a bond that had stood the test of time, and Alina was not just a friend but a soul sister, someone with whom I shared my deepest thoughts and greatest joys. We first met in kindergarten, where Alina's bright smile and infectious laughter drew me to her like a magnet. From that day forward, we became inseparable. Our childhood was a whirlwind of adventures, whether it was building forts out of blankets, exploring the woods behind our houses, or trading stickers and secrets. As we grew older, our friendship matured with us. Alina was the person I turned to when I needed a shoulder to cry on or a listening ear to share my dreams and fears. She was always there to provide comfort, advice, or simply a warm hug. Our late-night chats about life, love, and the future were the stuff of legends. We had our share of disagreements and misunderstandings, but what made our friendship special was our ability to forgive and support each other, no matter what. Even in our worst moments, we knew we could count on each other. High school brought new challenges, but we faced them together. We celebrated each other's successes, from acing exams to getting into our dream colleges. And when times were tough, we navigated the storms together, knowing that our friendship was an unbreakable anchor in our lives. As the years passed, our paths diverged. Alina pursued her passion for art, and I delved into the world of science. But our bond remained strong. We continued to be each other's biggest cheerleaders, attending art exhibitions and science fairs to support one another. Alina and I witnessed the ups and downs of life together, graduation, job changes, relationships, and more. We were there for each other through it all, offering encouragement, wisdom, and unwavering love. Our friendship was not just about the moments we shared, it was about the deep connection we had built over the years. Alina was not just a best friend, she was family. She knew my strengths and weaknesses, my dreams and fears, and I knew hers. Our friendship was a treasure, a constant source of happiness and comfort. In the end, it didn't matter where life took us or what adventures lay ahead, Alina would forever be my best friend, my confidant, and the one who knew me better than anyone else. Our story was one of enduring friendship, a bond that time and distance could never break. As the years rolled on, Alina and I continued to create countless memories together. We had our own traditions, like the annual summer road trip we took to explore new places. Whether we were camping under the stars in a remote national park or wandering through bustling city streets, those adventures always brought us closer and provided a plethora of stories to tell. Our friendship was also marked by the smaller, everyday moments. We had inside jokes that could make us burst into fits of laughter with just a glance. Alina's witty sense of humor and my tendency to be a bit of a klutz made for endless amusement. But it wasn't just the laughter and the adventures that defined our friendship, it was the unwavering support during the tough times. When life threw curveballs, we were each other's rock. Alina stood by me during my most challenging moments, offering a listening ear, a reassuring hug, or a simple, "I'm here for you." I did the same for her. When Alina faced a crossroads in her art career, I was there to encourage her to follow her passion. And when I questioned my career choices, Alina reminded me of my strengths and the importance of following my heart. Our friendship was a wellspring of motivation and inspiration. As we both stepped into our 30s, we celebrated not only our individual achievements but also the profound journey of our friendship. Our bond had grown stronger, deeper, and more valuable with time. Alina's presence in my life was a constant reminder of the beauty of true friendship, the kind that transcends distance, life changes, and the passing of years. Our story was a testament to the enduring power of a best friendship that had grown and evolved with us. Alina wasn't just my best friend, she was a part of my soul, an irreplaceable piece of my life's mosaic. Our shared laughter, tears, and countless adventures were the threads that wove the tapestry of our extraordinary friendship, and I couldn't imagine my life without her by my side.